go for a walk. Let's go check this trail out. Let's go see where this takes us. Little view of the rock out here. Not too shabby. Yeah, pretty. We're camped down there a little ways. Let's keep going. Kind of a nice little walk along through here, through the woods. Different spots you can take a peek. Goldie, she loves going hiking. She gets all kinds of new smells, a little exercise, and the nice views. Ooh, there we go. That looks pretty going up that way. Let's keep going. Come out through here. Look at that. Another little campsite a person could camp at. Let's check this out up here. Not too bad of a spot. Nice little fire ring there. Plenty of parking. You can get a bunch of different cars, vans, campers. You get a couple in here. Beautiful view. Look at the view that this spot has. Holy buckets.